Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram not sending code on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app and tap on Cellular. Ensure cellular data is enabled, then tap on Cellular Data Options and turn on Data Roaming. Now, go back to the Telegram app and request the code again. If the code still does not arrive, adjust your message settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Messages. Disable a message, wait 1 minute, then turn it back on. Return to Telegram and try requesting the code once more. Next, disable message filtering. In Settings, go back to Messages, scroll to the Message Filtering section and tap on Unknown and Spam. Turn off Filter Unknown Senders. Then, try requesting the Telegram code again. If the issue continues, try using a VPN. In Settings, find the VPN option and toggle it on. Once connected, return to Telegram and request the code again. Still not working. Then uninstall and reinstall Telegram. Tap and hold the Telegram app icon, then tap Remove App followed by Delete App. Confirm by tapping Delete again. Open the App Store, search for Telegram and reinstall it. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen steps to log into your account. So that's basically how you can fix Telegram not sending code on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.